you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be doing some transmission flashing. I got this adapter from Mashimaro. I will link them down below. They do have a lot of other products for E series and F series, so be sure to check them out. This adapter does not only work with MHD but other applications as well. So to get started, we will need an iPhone or Android device, a Wi-Fi adapter or a cable, as well as a battery charger or battery tender. So with the car jumper on, we are ready to plug up the MHD adapter. Also make sure to remember the password on the back. We will need that when we're connecting. So we're going to go into our Wi-Fi and we will connect to the MHD. Once that's connected, we will start up our app. So there is our car. If it does not find your car, just hit connect. So for this part, I will have to go into my email where I have my license. There's my code. Success. All right. Now let's add the map pack. Next up, they're showing us to download it, so let's do that. All right, so from here, we're gonna hit the flash right down here. And let's see what stage 4 does. I'm debating between stage 3 and stage 4. I think we should just go out and just do stage 4. So that is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna select the latest version. And they do say we need to have our seatbelt in. Go into airplane mode. That way we don't receive calls or anything in the middle of the process. And just like that, we are flashing. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this for you guys. Alright, so just started the car up. One way to tell if our flash went through successfully, if we go into drive, it will indicate what gear we're in, so that looks good. And they do recommend driving the car for about 50 miles until we really get on it, so I'll give that a go and I'll get back to you guys. That is not even fast forward, look at that. After reading online, they did say stage 4 is mostly for track use, so I decided to go to stage 3 instead. So we'll give this a go now. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up this video. As you guys saw, all we need is an adapter and an iPhone or Android. Super simple to do. Takes just a couple minutes and does make the car feel a lot quicker, and yeah, I highly recommend it. So if this is something you guys want to do, check out the links for the products, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.